Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to Xbox Cloud Gaming. So play anywhere, anytime. So here, what is Xbox Cloud Gaming? So it's a stream instantly access. So it access a vast library of Xbox games directly on your phone, PC, tablet, and smart TV. No download, no waiting. Included with Game Pass. Cloud gaming is a core benefit of Xbox Game Pass Essentials Premium and Ultimate subscription, offering incredible value. Powered by Xbox Series X. Experience games streamed at 1080p slash 60 FPS, leveraging the power of Xbox Series X hardware in Microsoft Advanced Data Center. What you need to get started: Xbox Game Pass subscription. Choose from Essentials, $10 monthly premium, $15 monthly ultimate, and another $15 to unlock cloud gaming benefits. So compatible device placed on Android, iOS, Windows 10 to 11, Mac, Samsung, and Amazon Fire TVs or Meta Quest VR headset. Stable internet connection for optimal performance. A minimum of 10 Mbps on 5 Hz Wi-Fi or 5 GB mobile data is recommended. Compatible controller. Enhance your experience with Xbox Wireless DualShock 4 or other supported third-party gamepads. How to access cloud gaming: mobile and tablet, or PC and Mac. So in mobile tablet, just go to Xbox dot slash play, then in your browser, and in PC Mac, just launch the Xbox app or access through supported browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Safari, or Opera. Or and then smart TVs, download the Xbox app or use browsers on compatible Samsung and Amazon Fire TVs. Log in. So simply sign in with your Microsoft account link to activate Game Pass subscription. Tips for best experience: optimize your network, connect to 5 Hz Wi-Fi, use a controller, clear background apps, and instant play. Why Xbox Cloud is a game changer? So, massive library, overdrive into 400 Xbox games instantly, seamless continuity, next gen access, and connect globally. Join millions of players worldwide. And here, ready to play? Start your journey with xbox.com/play or download the Xbox Game Pass app to begin. Subscribe for full access OPT for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate to unlock the complete cloud gaming experience. Gear up and play. Grab your controller, ensure a stable internet connection, and immerse yourself in your favorite games today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any other questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.